Hi, my name's Tanya. I found Dr. Durst by going to Eddie's health shop next door, buying my supplements and all that to get myself healthy and make myself feel good, but I noticed that that just wasn't enough for me. I was having sleepless nights, always felt tired the next day no matter how much sleep I got. I just felt exhausted and tired and lack of energy no matter what I did, no matter what I ate, no matter what supplements I was taking. It just didn't seem to be enough. So I sought Dr. Durst out. She did some lab work on me and turns out it was my hormones. My hormones were really low. So we started a hormone replacement therapy with the bioidenticals, which I was very pleased that she did the bioidenticals because that's where my interest lied. I didn't want anything synthetic. I'm 4 months into treatment. I feel much better. I am sleeping like a baby now. My energy levels have come back. I work out, and I was prior to that, but I was always exhausted going into the gym, coming out of the gym, just kind of dreading my workouts, and now I look forward to my workout. One of the reasons that I sought out Dr. Durst is I noticed that no matter how much I worked out, I wasn't seeing the improvements that I saw in my 20s and 30s. I'm now in my 40s, and it just wasn't, no matter how hard I worked out, no matter how much I lifted, no matter how many reps I did, no matter what I ate, it just didn't seem to come together like it did in previous years. And since I've been on the hormone replacement therapy, I've seen the gains, the progress, and everything that I wanted to see from the gym. And now the diet does matter, what I am doing in the gym. I am seeing those changes that I wanted to see. I am very pleased with the staff here. They've been very welcoming. They're very knowledgeable. They're very encouraging. And the questions that I've had along the way, they've been able to answer. The text messaging system, Clara, that they have here is great. Just shoot a text and in a little while I've got a text message back answering any question I have, whether it be with my prescriptions or just a general question I have because of how I'm feeling, or just letting them know, hey, that worked, I'm feeling great, thanks. And they're very timely in getting back to me. So that's been refreshing. And the office is gorgeous. You walk in, it's like walking into a little mini mansion here with nice modern decor, and that's really nice because you don't feel like you're truly in a doctor's office, even though you're getting the best medical treatment that you could possibly ask for with Dr. Durst and her staff here.